Hello, everyone. Welcome to my discussion on DeepSeek AI language model. This is one of the cutting edge AI language model. I would be going in detail about DeepSeek. DeepSeek and ChatGPT represent cutting edge AI language model. They take distinct, different approaches to solving similar problems. DeepSeek has drawn significant attention and for its impressive capability and cost efficient approach, particularly excelling in technical and mathematical domain. And model architecture perspective, DeepSeek use a mixture of expert MOE approach, which is like having a team of specialized expert where only the most relevant ones are called upon for each task. With 671 billion parameters, think of these as the model knowledge points. DeepSeek activates only a subset of its parameter for each request, enhancing efficiency. The mixture of expert approach allows DeepSeek to optimize both performance and resource usage dynamically, adapting to different types of queries. Performance perspective, DeepSeek has shown impressive capability in technical tasks, particularly excelling in mathematics, where it uh, achieved a 90% accuracy rate, notably higher than and many other competitors. Accessibility and cost perspective, DeepSeek takes an open source approach, meaning it's freely available, and can be modified by the community. Customization and ease of use so that the programs can be customized and easily available. And development perspective, DeepSeek development approach emphasizes efficiency, having been built using innovative training methods and less powerful hardware. DeepSeek has made a significant advancement with introducing DeepSeek V3 model and going in detail some of the things where the DeepSeek focus on search or information retrievals. The name DeepSeek implies a focus on a search and data discovery, an AI tool designed to enhance search capability, improve data retrieval, or perform deep search in large database or across the web. It uses deep learning technique to improve the accuracy and the relevance of search result. As part of search-driven AI, DeepSeek is a search-based AI tool. It is focused on indexing, analyzing, and retrieving data with high precision. It uses advanced algorithm, possibly involving deep learning, to prioritize the most relevant information when user input queries, similar to how modern search engine rank results. Specialization perspective, DeepSeek is an AI tool developed for specific industry or function. Example, like enterprise research, legal document analysis, or scientific research. It might have a more specialized knowledge based that GPT-4, which is designed to be general purpose. This make DeepSeek particularly powerful in its specific niche, with GPT-4 more versatile but more necessary as specialized. Uh, Data processing perspective, DeepSeek prioritize real-time search, query, and analytics. For example, it could focus on processing massive amount of structured and unstructured data, like database, documents, or even multimedia content, and retrieval site it faster. Are potential use cases of DeepSeek. DeepSeek is a search tool. It could be employed in industries where findings specific precise information is crucial. Example includes law firms, uh, research institution, or large corporations that need to sift through vast database of complex document collections. If you see the difference between or compare DeepSeek and Chat GPT. So, writing assistants, both models can help with documentation and content and creation, but their approach is differently. Chat GPT excel at producing ongoing and conversation content with rich context, perfect for explaining the complex data concept to non-technical stakeholders. DeepSeek, on the other hand, uh, science in technical writing scenarios, producing precise formal documentation, and that's particularly valuable for data project documentation and technical specification. Now, coming to the coding and technical queries perspective, what is the while if you compare Chat GPT and DeepSeek, if you are if you are a coder, this is going to be the most important feature of ChatGPT. Offers comprehensively code assistant, providing detailed explanation along with the code suggestions, making it excellent learning tool. Those new data science, DeepSeek takes a more uh, direct approach with faster code generation and a modular style that's especially useful when you need quick, efficient solution for special coding in challenges. Many developers have found such using DeepSeek for rapid prototyping and ChatGPT for understanding the complex implications. Then comes to brainstorming and creativity. Uh, when brainstorming data project approach or analytical strategies, these tools offer different strategies. ChatGPT excel at generating multiple diverse approach to a problem, helping you explore various analytical possibility. Deep seeking typically provide fewer but more uh, thoroughly developed solution, diving deep into a single approach, particularly useful when you need to flash out specific data strategic strategy details. Learning and research a perspective. If the context of data science education, ChatGPT provide comprehensive tutorial style explanation that work well to learning a new concept. It excels at breaking down the complex topic into uh, digestible places. DeepSeek focuses more on the precision and conciseness, and making it particularly effective for quick reference and face checking during and fact checking during your data project. It's the technical accuracy is especially valuable when uh, researching in specific methodology or algorithm. Cost and efficiency. In this perspective, DeepSeek stands out for its effectively using energy efficient hardware and edge deployment to keep operation cost low. Being free to use, it's a excellent resource if you are working with limited budget. ChatGPT is subscription model, while more expensive, offer consistent performance and advanced feature that can be valuable for professional data work. Next comes the privacy and ethical concern. This aspect of is particularly important when working with sensitive data. ChatGPT follows Western data uh, protection standard, making it a safer choice for projects require strict data privacy compliance. DeepSeek's data storage, precise and content moderation policies might raise concern for certain types of uh, projects, especially those involves sensitive information or require unrestricted analytical discussions. So that's about the comparison part. Now, going in detail about what all the pros and cons of DeepSeek and ChatGPT. The positive side, DeepSeek open source and cost efficient. It's a no, open source and cost efficient and efficient for coding and technical tasks. It's faster response time for structured queries and superior performance in mathematical computation, low resource requirements, lower resource requirements. And with respect to ChatGPT, strong context understanding and refined language generation, reliable for general research and writing tasks, and better integration with mu- multi-modular capabilities, example image, voice, and all. More use friendly, more user friendly interface, and consistent performance across various tasks. The negative part of the myth of this deep seek, potential bias in politically sensitive topics, requires more verification for complex resource, less intuitive interface for casual users, stricter content modi- moderation policies. Then comes myth of ChatGPT. Subscription required for premium access, higher computer cost, message limit on free usage, can be slower for technical competition. Now, moving on, which AI should you use? So either DeepSeek or ChatGPT. So it no, certain things I would be discussing on it. It For technical user and developer, if you are focused on coding, data analysis, and technical documentation, DeepSeek offers compelling advantage. Its open source nature allows you to customization and integration into your development and workflow, while its cost effective makes it particularly uh, it's a cost effective approach. However, prepared uh, implemented additional verification step for complex analysis, and be aware of potential limitation handling potential sensitive data topics. Then for general user and business and content creator perspective, if you are working in a business environment or need to create contents, and that explains data concern to stakeholders, ChatGPT might be the good and better choice. Is okay. And then for privacy conscious users, as I discussed earlier as well. Well, for those working with the sensitive data or in regulated industry, ChatGPT is the advised um, um, is advised for so that it adheres to Western data protection and standards, makes it to solve choices. Okay. Then going in detail, comparing it with DeepSeek and Chat GPT. So module architecture perspective, It uses MOE mixture of expert approach with selective parameter activation. Then ChatGPT traditionally a transformer model with consistent performance and data visualization perspective, concise fact driven outputs and chat GPT perspective, rich context presentation with better formatting. So chat it is preferred chat GPT. The technical performance superior in mathematics and coding task, and that is DeepSeek, and a strong general performance across tasks for ChatGPT. And the user experience perspective, technical interface requires expertise, user friendly interface with a broad accessibility. So ChatGPT is preferred over here. Cost efficiency perspective, open source and subscription based. So DeepSeek is preferred. Data privacy perspective, the data privacy feature perspective, some compliance concern and stricter content moderation. So and strong Western privacy standards and compliance followed in ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is preferred. Customization perspective, extensive but require technical expertise, limited but user friendly option. So DeepSeek option is better. Response speed perspective, faster for structured queries, consistent but can be slower for technical tasks. So DeepSeek is preferred. Then collaboration feature, basic sharing capabilities, strong integration and sharing features. So ChatGPT is preferred. Then documentation quality a perspective, precise technical aspects are taken care in DeepSeek, and then comprehensive, well explained ChatGPT. So already we have seen some of the things in detail. So I would be discussing from primary focus of DeepSeek search data retrieval or information discovery, and ChatGPT natural language processing (NLP). Then key strength, deep search capability, uh, relevant data retrievals as part of DeepSeek, and broad generation, ge- broad general purpose AI for various domains. Then comes specialization and um, multimodal capabilities and training, likely trained on search data for search task, training on diverse data, large in case of ChatGPT. While one of the which one to choose, so that's the thing. So if you need advanced text generation, example writing answer questions, engaging in complex conversation, coding support, ChatGPT is the clear choice. If you need if your need revolves around searching and retrieving data from a specific domain or large database, example enterprise data or specific uh, proper or specific legal data. So in that case, it is preferred to go for the DeepSeek. And you need the precision in retrieval. DeepSeek might be a preferred choice. Okay, okay then. Thank you. Thanks for your time.